Hi guys! So as you can tell right now, I'm in my full bare state. I have very like pink skin and I'm pale. What does that mean? A makeup video. If you have watched my other videos, I have not done a makeup video. I've probably said something about how I don't know how to do my makeup. I just want to like be a YouTuber and create content. I'm kind of struggling like with what content to make. And I thought, why not try out some makeup videos? I love makeup. I love watching makeup videos, so why not try to make one? So right now it is October 12th. Yeah, it's October 12th. And as you can see, I have like a little cute fall setup behind me. It hasn't really felt like fall, but today, this morning, I woke up and it was like 53 degrees and I was like, whoa, it is chilly. So I thought, what better way to transition into fall than to make like a cute like orange pumpkin makeup look. Maybe like later on when it gets like more fall-y and less like Halloween-y, we can do like a vampy fall look with a dark lip and dark eyeshadow and stuff. So if you want to see me, a very unprofessional, not experienced makeupper, do like a cute pumpkin Halloween look, then please keep watching. Okay, so we're getting a little close and personal in here. I'm gonna like pin my hair back out of my face. Okay, I changed my mind. We're just gonna use these. Okay, so now that I look like an alien with little things coming out their head. So recently I've been getting into doing my eyeshadow first. I used to never do my eyeshadow first, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be creating this look with the James Charles palette. No matter how I feel about him, like now, I still spent my money on this and I'm gonna use it. So as like a primer for our eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use this Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light. I had to go track down my freaking sponge. I don't know how it ended up in the other bedroom, but anyways, it's wet and I'm ready to blend in this concealer. I have a huge pimple just chilling on my nose. Like it's like not out, it's just probably under the skin. Anyways, if you see that, I'm Rudolph. Okay, so I'm gonna start with like just this like neutral shade right here. It kind of acts to set that concealer that we just put on. So I'm actually so excited that it's finally getting colder. Fall is my favorite time of the year, but living in the South, like we really don't get the best, like, I mean, I guess I shouldn't complain. We do get all 4 seasons. Summer just lasts longer than any of the others. I'm gonna go in with this like muted orange color in the middle, just to try to like build it up, and then we'll go in with a brighter orange and then blend it together. What I like to do is like start at the crease and just like go backwards and like in circular motions, and then like the rest into the middle, so it doesn't look so like bland, I guess. Like it doesn't look just like color on your eye. It like gives it a little bit of dimension. So basically I'm just keeping blending that middle color, this one, and just blend. I'm gonna take a little bit of this one and a little bit of that one. See, it's looking so cute. I don't know why, like I used to hate warm tone makeup. Like I was like, oh my god, I only wear cool tones. But now, like, I don't know. And I'm a blonde now. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I used to be, you know, brunette, and I feel like cool tones just didn't look good on me. But maybe I'm just dumb and didn't know what I was missing. Okay, so I think that's good. Now we're gonna go in with the really, really bright orange. This is what makes it like Halloween-y and like pumpkin-y to me, because I'm sure you can like just wear this out with lashes and some eyeliner. And yes, I'm using the same brush because I don't know how to be a beauty YouTuber. Oh, and I was also gonna say at the beginning that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway when I reach like 100 followers. And I really appreciate that even like one person has subscribed to me, much less, I think I'm up to 86 right now. I know some people are like, oh my god, 86, that's not a lot, like what are you talking about? But it's a lot to me, and I just really appreciate every single person who takes the time out of their day to hit that subscribe button. To me, it just means a lot. So if you're one of my subscribers, or if you're a person that watches me and you don't know me yet, then thank you. I very much appreciate it. Okay, before this gets too out of hand, I think this is good. Like, I really like this. It's not perfect. I'm not a professional, but I like it a lot. And so I guess my next step is going to be trying to make a wing. I'm still not good at doing winged eyeliner, but we're gonna try it because I feel like a wing and lashes just makes the world of difference in a makeup look. I'm gonna go in with my, hold on. My laptop's about to die. My laptop is connected to my mic, so hold on one second. Okay, back. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I was trying to hurry and get back in here. This is just like a NYX Epic ink liner. And it's waterproof, so I don't really want to talk through this because I'll get distracted, so I will just play through. Okay, it's not perfect. The tail isn't the best, but I'm just not gonna mess with it because from far away, no one will know. Okay, so I got two totally different kind of wings going on. This is more like a cat eye wing, and then this is more just like a thin wing. So I guess I'm just going to try to make this one a cat eye as well because there ain't no going back now. I'm stopping. I ain't messing with it no more. And then I'll be right back to do the rest of the face makeup. Okay, so I'm back. They're really big and dramatic, and they look really good with the eyeliner. I love it. Now, we are getting into face makeup. Too Faced Born This Way in Vanilla. I just realized I forgot to put on primer. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off. That candle smells amazing. Like going in there to get things and coming back in here. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay, sorry about that. I'm gonna use this primer water by Too Faced. And I also really like this primer by Rimmell. I actually found this when I was like in 10th grade and I forgot about it. So I saw it at Walmart like a month ago and I picked it up and I was like, whoa, I missed this. I picked up this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation and I want to do a video on it. Maybe I should just do like a wear test or something. Going back in with my Born This Way. Now that I have my foundation, or my foundation to the foundation. I love this foundation. This is actually a little, it looks a little light right now. I really don't know why, because maybe my neck is still kind of tan, but I'm going to go in with like some bronzer and like, you know, make my face have a little bit more color back into it. Okay, so concealer, and it's in the shade Nougatine. I really like it, but then again, it is kind of dry. I don't know what is wrong with me. I need to start getting like, you know, natural finish or like glowy, because my skin is so dry. It needs like something. Like, I need something. My skin is just very dry. I don't have a good like skincare routine, so if you guys have any suggestions on like what I should like be incorporating into my skincare, let me know, because right now all it is like Pond's face cream, and I have this like this stuff on. I have this stuff that I use. I got it from Target, and it's like a color correcting moisturizer because I have very red skin when I don't have a spray tan. Anyways, that's beside the point. But anyways, okay. So let's get this blended out. Okay, so I got my face makeup on. I need to get it off my lips, but it's looking really good. I like it. I need to set it with powder, and yeah. Alright, so while that's like baking or setting or whatever, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just kind of like brush them out, and then I like fill them in a little bit. Okay, and that's about it. And then I just brush off this powder, kind of like use the excess powder to get over all the rest of my face. I actually have a wedding to go to tonight, so I'll probably like keep the face makeup and just like change the eye, because I feel like, I mean, I could go there rocking this pumpkin look, but it's my boyfriend's friends. I don't want them to be like, what the heck? I feel like this transition to like really hot weather to pretty cool weather has just like destroyed my lips. They're so chapped. So I apologize that you had to see that. So let's add a little bit of color back to the face. I'm gonna add some blush and some like bronzer. My favorite palette for that is this Tarte In Bloom palette. I got this like over a year ago probably, and it just has like the essentials. Like it has a cool tone bronzer, a really pretty blush, and then it has like a highlighter. I usually put highlighter on after a setting spray. I'm just gonna take this angled brush. I got this from Amazon like probably 2 or 3 years ago. But yeah, bronzer color. This is in the shade Terracotta. Okay, it doesn't look too different, but maybe it looks a little less dead. This is just a Wet n Wild blush brush here. To set my makeup, I like to use this Wet n Wild setting spray. And then after I do setting spray, I will do a little bit of highlighter. Okay, so I guess that's it for the final, for the face and the eyes. I'm totally in love. I'm gonna do a lip color. I picked up this lip product at Ulta probably like last week. I haven't seen these. Maybe I'm just like late to the game, but it's called a Lippie Lingerie, and it's by Tarte, and it's like a nude pink color. So we're gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna go good with this makeup look, but we're gonna see. I mean, it's okay. I feel like it's like the same exact color as my lips, so it's just kind of pinky. Okay, so here's a plan B. I'm probably just gonna go in with this little lippy from Kat Von D. It's in the shade Ludwig. I've had this for, I probably shouldn't even be using this. I've had this for probably 3 years, because it came in like a little pack with all the different ones, and yeah, so. Okay, I like that better. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's just kind of darker and it's not so pink in contrast to my eyes. But yeah, oh my god, I can't believe I did a makeup video. Okay, let me take my hair down. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I pulled this off. Like, I'm not going to be like, oh my god, it's perfect, because it's not perfect, because it's from someone who doesn't know how to do makeup. I wanted to prove to myself and to you guys that I can maybe do makeup videos, and maybe someone out there will enjoy them, and as I do them, maybe I'll get better. And okay, so let me give you like a little close-up of my makeup. So if you stayed till the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This was very different for me. I think that I will definitely be doing more makeup videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget, I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers. So if you would like to, please subscribe. If you would like to, please leave me a comment down below letting me know like what kind of videos you would like to see from me next. As you can see, my channel does not have like it doesn't have a pattern, so I've just been all over the place, but I really would like to get a distinctive vibe to my channel, a distinctive content that I create. But oh, and also yesterday the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Halloween came out. I was able to get 2 of them. I couldn't get like the big huge one because I was like right there when everything came out, but for some reason I had to like wait in line, and as soon as I got up there, or as soon as it like loaded, it was like, oh, the mystery box is sold out, and I was like, oh my god. So I got the small one and the medium one. So that will be a whole video coming. But yeah, I guess that's it. I don't really have anything else to say other than I love spooky season, and I'm so happy that I was able to create this orange pumpkin-y look. And I hope everyone watching has an amazing day, and I hope you have an amazing Halloween. And if you're on fall break, stay safe. I know people around America are on fall break. I'm in college. I don't get fall break, sadly. But yes, with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!